how to add captions in Descript. So first you want to open up your browser and head to descript.com and then make sure you're signed into your account. Now, if you do not have an account already, you can use the link in the description below to sign up for a new account. And once you've signed in, you can simply go back to the home page and go to the project section. Now you want to click on new project and choose which file format you want to do. So for example, video project. I have a project already created here, so I'm going to open it. You will simply need to upload your video and wait for it to finish uploading and transcribing your video. And to add captions, you want to simply click on the captions menu on the right hand side, or the captions option. And then you want to pick which caption style you want to apply to your video. So for example, this impact yellow caption, which you can click on to apply the caption to your video. And now you can simply adjust this window to match where you want this to be displayed. And you can customize the font and the size of the font. So for example, I'm going to pick Noto right here and make it bold. And you can also adjust the font size by typing the font size you want here. You can also customize the filler colors and the background and the outlining color, as well as you can add some effects for blur, shadow, and stuff like that. You can also animate your captions. So for example, the in is going to be a scale, so you can scale when the text starts fading in the screen, as well as when it's fading out. So it gives that bumping effect or scaling effect when the text displayed for the first time, and as well as when the text is going away. And once you're happy with the result, you can go ahead and export your video by clicking on the export button on the top right hand side. And then you can simply select the output format. So for example, you can leave it video, and then you can select where to export it, the destination, and then the resolution. And you can click on the export to start exporting the video. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.